In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove objects in Affinity Photo. Content-aware in-painting fill. This is a quick, reliable way to erase distractions and make your photos look cleaner without heavy manual editing. We'll keep it simple and focused so you can follow along and get great results right away. Start by opening your image in Affinity Photo. You can drag the file directly into the workspace or use the standard Open command. Once it's on your canvas, take a moment to zoom to the area you want to fix. Seeing the edges clearly helps the tool do a better job. Next, choose the Selection Brush tool. This tool lets you paint over the object you want to remove so Affinity knows what to replace. Adjust the brush size so it's just a bit larger than the details you're tracing. Carefully paint over the object, making sure to include any faint edges, soft shadows, or reflections that belong to it. If you accidentally select too much, switch to Subtract mode and paint to remove the extra area. Turning on edge snapping can help the selection hug the contours of your subject. Be patient here. A clean selection sets you up for a clean removal. With the object selected, go to the Edit menu and choose Inpainting Fill. Affinity Photo will analyze the surrounding pixels and synthesize new content to replace the selected area, seamlessly blending textures and tones. This works especially well on natural backgrounds like sky, grass, walls, or water, where the software can easily find patterns to replicate. When the preview looks right, click Apply. Give it a second to process. In many cases, that single click is all you need, and the object disappears as if it was never there. If you still see faint edges, repeated textures, or small artifacts, switch to the Inpainting Brush tool for touch-ups. Paint directly over the problem spots using short, controlled strokes. Adjust the brush size and hardness depending on the texture you're fixing. Softer brushes blend better on clouds and skin, while harder edges can help on sharp lines or architectural details. Work gradually, zoom in for precision, and let the brush rebuild only what needs attention. If a stroke doesn't look right, undo and try a smaller area. That's it. Open the image, select the object with the Selection Brush tool. Use Inpainting Fill from the Edit menu, click Apply, and touch up with the Inpainting Brush as needed. With a little care in the selection and a few gentle brush passes, you'll have a clean, distraction-free photo in no time.